everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a Mediterranean lentil salad. So it's very quick, very easy. It's going to come together in a matter of minutes and it's super delicious. So I've started off here with 1 can of lentils that has been rinsed and drained really well. And now what we're going to do is I've chopped or crumbled the rest of my ingredients so they're all ready to go, and we're just going to add them all in. So here I have 1 red onion, or 1/4 of 1 red onion that I have chopped. I've got half a punnet of cherry tomatoes that I've cut in half. I've got a large handful of parsley that I've just roughly chopped. I've got about 100 grams of crumbled Danish Feta. You can use any type of feta. The Danish is just my favorite. I have half a teaspoon of salt. Here I have 1 clove of garlic chopped, the zest of half a lemon, and half a tablespoon of mixed herbs. And then I have 1/8 of a cup of olive oil. And I'm just using a light olive oil for this. The last thing that I'm going to add is my lemon juice. So I've got the juice of half a lemon going in here, and I'm just using the sieve that I drained the lentils with to catch all the pips in this lemon juice, and this one has heaps of them. Alright, so that is how quickly and easily this comes together. I'm going to serve it with leftover chicken schnitzel. I hope you like this, I hope you try it, and I'll see you next time on Do It Frugal. Bye!